Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 30th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research, make your own decisions. So Palantir, what has happened to you? Closed down 27 cents. That equals 1%. We closed at 26.36. Post-market, we seem to be down or pretty much even, Steven. So what is happening to our beloved Palantir? Palantir, we got used to so many green candles that when we see two red candles, we are disappointed. But should we? Should we be disappointed? Spoiled brats are easily disappointed, but they should not be. So basically, I'm comparing ourselves to spoiled brats. Basically, look at what happened. We went pretty high. So we had a high today of 26.92. So we went on and almost touched the resistance at $27. So we went pretty high and closed 26.36. So basically we are in a little pullback because 2 days ago we touched the resistance, the second resistance. We touched it, and after 6 days of green candles, so that was a good run. So it's normal that we need to take a breather again. So let's hope that the breather does not go below 25.40. You know, we want the breather to maybe just stop around here on support. So tomorrow we need to check if we can hold 25.87. That would be great. So we need to see that. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Okay, so this is 9:30. So pretty much the same pattern that happened with Tesla. We opened with a nice green candle, quite strong, and then we got exhausted because we got so close to the 27 resistance. And yes, this should be red. Resistance are red and support are green. So, and we have been going down since 11:30, down, but we seem to be stabilizing at the level where we opened. So hopefully we won't go down too much more tomorrow. Let's go to the indicators. So stochastic is taking a little bit of a dive. So we are at 75 with the stochastic. We are at 75, and this is reflecting the fact that the stock price is really going down. There are different types of strategies that you can use. When a stock is in a channel like this, you can buy when the stock bounces on support, and you can sell when the stock touches resistance. So you could have sold 2 days ago, even yesterday, but now it's pretty late to sell because support is so close that the stock might be just bouncing on support or going sideways. So basically, if my strategy was to sell on support, well, I might just wait to see what happens. To sell on resistance, I'm sorry. I might just wait to see what happens if the stock does not bounce on support. So stochastic is a little bit down. This is reflecting what is happening with the stock. So that's fine. When the stochastic is over 50 or 70, there's still strength in the stock, so we should not panic. In terms of the MACD, so MACD is looking close to crossing over. Okay, it's looking close to crossing over, so we might be losing a thumbs up. It does not mean that we automatically need to sell. You can sell, well, there are so many ways. You can sell when the stochastic breaks breaks under 80. That's one strategy. You can sell when the MACD is crossing, that's another strategy, or you can sell when the DMI is crossing bearish, that's another strategy, or you can sell when you do a small support line. Well, we have this support line here, well, we have two actually, that you might use to sell, or if you are very, very aggressive and don't want to lose 1 cent, then you could have drawn this support here, boom, 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 and you could have made 6 candles in profit and sold yesterday towards the end of the day when the stock broke out of that support. So you decide what you want to do, but the main support, I think I had lost my screen. You might be seeing things right. Okay, so the main double support are these two lines. So if you are in it for a more medium term, then you might want to listen to the support line instead of the one I just drew and just erased. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting, Patreoning, Discording, and trading viewing with my affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.